Jai friends, my today's lecture topic is e-security. Imagine you are 100 years back and someone passes by and saying that I will marry you. How will you react? Of course, you will be going to confront them. But when you confront them, they will be taking one thing out of their ears and they will say, I'm talking to someone. But nowadays, this is not just a joke. It is a way more bigger than that. So, talking about e-security and its domains. So in earlier days or few years back, you can observe that the wars and the fighting battles that all happen on the traditional basis, like fighting on the land, on sea, on air. But then something new happened, a new domain introduced. It's called the space. And recently a new domain has been introduced in this world. It's called cyberspace. It's not just a space, but it's a more dangerous space. This cyberspace impacts everyone's life. If you are using your banking, you are using your electricity energy, you are using anything, it will be impacted into that. So, what it takes to destroy one nation which is on the verge of collapse or it's on a new journey to become a superpower, so like India or countries like UK, America or China. So what it takes to destroy these nations? It surely takes to destroy their digital or cyber infrastructures. So in recent times, it has been observed that there have been more than 20 millions of cyber attacks on the power grids, on the banking systems, on the nuclear facilities of India. Where does this originate from? It generally originated from countries like China or America or Pakistan. Of course, these are the adversaries nation of India. So this is quite usual that will happen. Now talking about, we have already talked about these threats and what damages can happen. But now let's talk about the defense, how we can secure it. So as my topic was e-security, I will be telling you about few basic things that India have introduced and start practicing. So first thing is CERT-IN. That is one of the nodal agency of India which responds firstly to deal with any cyber kind of attack. Also, another is NCIIP, which also deals with cyber attacks which impacts banking or telecom industries. So, before using your banking or anything, you must implement one of the saying that don't trust, but verify first. So before making any payment or before clicking on any link which comes to your phone or any calls that you attend, first verify